Hey everyone, imagine turning any text into a professional sounding voice in just a few seconds. No microphones, no messy recordings, no awkward pauses, just AI magic. You can make podcast intros, narrate your YouTube videos, or even create funny announcements, all without saying a single word. This tool lets you choose the voice you want: male, female, robotic, or natural human voices that sound surprisingly real. You can adjust the speed, the tone, even the emotion if you want your voice to sound excited, calm, or dramatic. And the best part, you just type what you want the AI to say, hit generate, and boom, seconds later you have a crystal clear voiceover ready to download. No studio, no equipment, no stress. It's literally like having a professional voice actor on your computer 24/7. Seriously, it's perfect for students, creators, or anyone who wants to save time but still sound amazing. So grab your text, pick your favorite AI voice, and let the magic happen. You'll be amazed at how natural and powerful it sounds. Ready to make your first AI voiceover? Let's go.
The voice you just heard is an AI voice, like literally explaining to you how this voice thing works. So I'm going to be showing you how to do yours. Okay, this is Jamilat and this is day 26 of our AI video challenge. And to do your own, you just have to go to your Chrome. Okay, this is the name of the site. I don't I cannot pronounce it. Just click on it. It's on your screen. You can see it. This is what it is looking like. They give you credits when you are new. They give you 10,000 credits. I kind of used to. Why is it still remaining 10,000? So I use it though, but it's still remaining 10,000. That's super beautiful. So to create your own, you just have to click on this generate, and here you can put your text. This is the text you had previously. Okay, so let me choose announcement. Okay, you can select your text from here. You have to know that not all text, like some are paid version. So let me choose this indie. That's okay. You see, let me just go back. So for you to get some particular type of voices, you have to be in the paid version. Okay, let's see. Show only. You see, when I click on show only free voices, there is no voice at all. So let's check all accents. These are the voices that are free for all accents. This is Alice. Okay, we can.
Hi, this is Alice, voice of Odyxa AI.
Okay, so we've chosen Alice. Okay, so for a script, we can go back to, since we don't have anything we want to do, we can go to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is going to help me generate a speech that tells you the usage, why using text to speech is important. So let's go. So this is my own speech. This is my own. This is not yours. This is mine. So I'll just say, give me a detailed article on the importance of text to speech. Make it very detailed. Act as a professional writer. Okay, so this is it. I'll just copy my own. I'll just copy it. It can take in 5,000 words, like characters. Okay, it's long. Oh, are you sure? Jamie, are you sure about this? Oh my god, because I told ChatGPT to act as a writer, see what they give me. Okay. Okay, it stopped at 7. I can take this off. I can take this part off. Okay, then I'll click on generate speech. It doesn't take time. Before you know, it has generated. This is one of the free ones. I believe I have talked to us about one order the other time. There is one, I showed us one. Yeah, I did. I can remember that. So this is another one. And this is not the only one I'm going to be showing us. This is the one I'll be showing us how to use. Since I've already showed us one earlier, so I'll just list the names of others and you can check them out. Okay, I needed to know that many of them, they are paid version. Nowadays a lot of AI tools are paid. A lot people are getting interested in AI, so the competition is going to be like, you know, the competition is definitely going to be high since everybody is here now. So let's just wait for it. Okay, we can come back to this. Okay, so the generation is supposed to appear somewhere down here, but I mistakenly touched it. So you can come to this 3 dot here. You would see my generations. Just click on it and you see, okay, you see everything you've been doing. This is for this one, so you can download the audio. Okay,
Text to speech TTS technology has evolved from a simple accessibility feature into a
you can see it's lengthy. This tool is actually very good at, like, it's the best I've seen. Like, very lengthy. I really love it so much. So I'll just download this. Download. It's going to show that it is downloading. Come on, I don't have all day. It's downloading. You can see how long it is. Okay, so I'll just don't download again. So that is just it. That is just how the text to speech work, and I kind of feel I should still show you how the other ones work, not just by showing you their names. So the next video is going to be about many more text to speech, because if one of these isn't working, I want you to have alternatives so that you can try others out. This is the second one I've shown you, so I'm going to show you like 3 others on our next video, so that since you are creating with free tools, if you are done using the credit on this one, you can move to the other one. You understand? So I'll see you on the next video. Hope you are following. Don't forget to do a little assignment, okay? Just in case you are wondering what kind of assignment am I supposed to do using this text to speech, that is another reason why the next video is for you, so that you can watch and see the usage of this text to speech tool. Okay, I know you already know, but then I know a lot of us will make excuse since I've mentioned assignment. Remember, if I don't see your videos on your pages, I'm not going to certify you that you are done with this course. So as you are learning everything, just make sure you do something. Just make sure you create something with the ideas I am introducing to you, with the ideas I show you, with the tools I show you. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great one. Don't forget to stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to drop a comment. Bye bye.